is SB Talent Camp Facebook Live.
박수!
몇명 보고 있는 거야? 3! 3.
일단 10명 될 때까지 기다릴 거야.
Let's wait for 10 na lang. 10 viewers.
It was after our debut, so we released a song, and then after that, we felt like, oh, nothing happened. It's like no one's supporting us, no one knows us. Only like maybe 10 or 14 people.
Perform po kami kasi parang busking type dati, na parang
Saan kayo nagpe-perform dati?
saan
Talaga?
po
Ano yung
abutin?
pinaka-weird na na-performan nyo?
Gilid ng mall.
Gilid ng
Ganon. Parang minsan, may mga times po talaga na parang, yun nga, nahihiya kami. Minsan yung mga kakilala namin pumupunta. Yung mga kaibigan na lang namin sumusuporta sa amin. Ganon.
Talaga, minsan 20 lang ang nanonood sa'yo.
Less than
Less
po.
than.
Less than.
Parang dati po makikilala namin kung sino yung mamunta. Ito si ano. Ayan po.
Kilala nyo lang.
Kilala namin pa
Sa ulo po
kasi
namin.
sobrang konti lang po eh.
Pero yung performance na binibigay nyo nun, all out na.
Syempre po.
Parang
Always,
50,000 yung
Oo.
nanonood.
So, tuwa na po kami na merong, kanwari more than 10. Marami na po sa amin
Opo,
dati
ay.
yung pagkaganon.
Hindi nga.
Masaya na po
Opo,
kami nun.
pag merong, basta po pag may nanonood sa amin at nakikita po namin na nag-enjoy sila, talagang ginaganahan po kami. Kasi kahit pito, sumisigaw, gano'n, parang maano ka talaga, ma-uplift ka talaga na parang, oy, tama tong ginagawa ko.
Marami tayong goal actually. Parang isa doon makilala internationally para matulungan kung ano yung meron sa Philippines, kung ano yung pwede nating maitulong.
Yung ultimate goal, di namin masasabi basta-basta yun. Kasi habang mas nararating namin yung mga gusto namin, nagkakaroon ng panibago at parang nagbubukas pa yung mga pintana.
Parang sabi mo nga, nanganganak ulit. Kuwari pagkatapos ng isang goal, manganganak ulit siya ng baby.
Mas nagiging hungry kami. Pag may naaabot kami ng new heights, parang mas gusto pa namin taasan pala yung mga naaabot namin. Parang nakakagutom nga din naman talaga kasi may mga taong nagiging proud sa'yo. So, mas pinagbubutihan mo pala.
Siguro po makapag-perform kami international po. I mean, kahit hindi naman po award show, I mean, ma-invite man lang po makapag-perform. Ma-share lang po namin yung music ng Pinoy po sa ibang bansa. Siguro yun po yung isa talaga sa nasa bucket list namin, yung makapunta sa ibang bansa to perform there po. Yun po, saan mabigyan po kami ng chance.
You know, we always try to build this dream of having the P-pop or the Filipino heritage in the global scene. So, yeah, I think in the next few years, that's where we're at. I'm claiming it.
Where do you see yourself a few years from today? What would be the goal?
I guess the nearest goal is to perform in Coachella.
Oh, yes. You see so many international artists performing at Coachella, and do you see yourself there in a couple years from today?
I'm seeing myself.
Definitely.
I'm seeing myself in that stage right now.
Actually, it's hard. It's
Yeah.
hard for us to, to say it right now, but they said
Say it right now,
you need to
bro.
manifest it.
Manifest it.
Yeah. Manifest it, and you cannot predict the future, but
Yes.
you need to do it right now.
Coachella, you're gonna be there.
Absolutely.
Like, what's the next dream? You guys you've made it to the pinnacle.
We're
of the
gonna
mountain.
be performing. We're actually performing soon in Coachella and Grammy.
Are you serious? Is this happening?
That is the goal.
That's the goal.
It will happen. It will happen. If we say it, it's gonna happen.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
power of the tongue.
Siyempre, yung pinaka-goal ko namin is to break the current norm or introduce or put Filipino music and culture in the global scene.
Our always dream is to perform sa mga big festivals like Coachella and Lollapalooza para po ma-introduce namin yung music ng Philippines internationally. It will be like a very big milestone for us and sa Filipino music. So hopefully makakapag-perform kami na.
Sana po magkaroon kami ng show sa Coachella or Lollapalooza soon. So, bigger stage and mas maraming artists. Sana po. Sana.
Focus lang. Nagpapasalamat kami sa opportunity ng Donald God. Isa lang ko sa isang taon. May problema naman, pero kakayanan namin to. Maging present yung mind namin sa lahat ng mga pangyayari. And ingatan mo po na walang masaktan and mag-enjoy lang natin bawat ng tao. Maraming salamat sa opportunity to.
Even though it's our first time attending an international award event, we have 2 awards and we were able to perform earlier, so we're very thankful to everyone.
And of course, we are very happy and we're very honored to represent, to showcase the Filipino music all around the world.
Sobrang nakaka-overwhelmed at nakakataba po ng puso. Kasi po, bago namin gawin po ito lahat, parang matagal na po namin pangarap o vision na makilala po talaga ang Pinoy music sa buong mundo. At ngayon po parang nangyayari na po siya at marami po nakaka-recognize sa kultura at musika natin. Kaya po parang kami, natutuwa po kami na we're one of the instruments or isa sa mga na nagko-contribute para mangyari po iyon.
Your artistry, your craft, admirable. As somebody who's also in the live events industry, your dreams of performing internationally, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when na lang talaga. And I look forward to witnessing your growth, even from this.
Wow!
Thank you so much po.
18, mag-ingay, magpa-perform ang P-Pop Kings na SB19 sa Lollapalooza sa Amerika. Makasaysayan ito dahil sila ang kauna-unahang Filipino act na kasama sa naturang Music Fest.
Magtatanghal ang SB19 sa International Music Fest na Lollapalooza sa Chicago, USA. Ang grupo na kinabibilangan ni Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken at Justin ang unang Pinoy pop group na magtatanghal sa 4-day Music Fest.
Nakatakdang mag-perform sa Lollapalooza Music Festival sa Amerika ang P-Pop Kings na SB19.
Magtatala na naman ng history ang P-Pop Kings na SB19. Ang grupo lang naman ang unang Filipino act na mapapasama sa prestigyosong Lollapalooza Music Festival sa United States.
SB19 is set to make history as the first Pinoy pop act to join the lineup of this year's Lollapalooza.
This won't happen if not just because of SB19, but we started this movement with 18 and our team, we're growing bigger and bigger, and then our family 18 is growing bigger and bigger. So we're just really happy that step by step, small steps, we're getting to the goal that we've been dreaming for so long time. So yeah, we're just thankful and we love you all so much for supporting us.
Siyempre po, hindi kami titigil hanggat siyempre hindi po na isa sa katuparan yung mga visions po namin. At ayun po, masaya lang po kami, we're very thankful at itatry po namin yung best namin para mas lumagana pa po at mas makilala pa po ang musikang Pilipino.
Let me introduce ourselves. Woman shit, SB19. I'd like to introduce ourselves. Woman shit, SB19.